Want to upgrade your Assurance wireless phone? First, you need to be eligible. This means meeting income requirements or participating in programs like SNAP, Medicaid, SSI, WIC, or tribal programs. Check the current federal poverty guidelines to see if you qualify. Verification is done online. No credit checks needed, but fraud detection is strict. Next, consider a trade-in. If your current Assurance wireless phone has been active for at least 6 months and is in good condition, you can trade it in for credit toward a new phone. Trade-in values can range from $50 to $200. Remember, damaged phones receive less credit, so keep your phone in good shape. Once your eligibility is approved and your trade-in is processed, activation takes about 7 to 10 business days. You'll need to port your number and activate via the Assurance Wireless app or website. Ensure your new phone is compatible with your plan, which includes unlimited talk, text, and data. Keep in mind that you can only get one free phone per household every 12 months. Upgrades aren't automatic, so you need to request them. Your new phone will be shipped directly to you or available for pickup at a designated center. Remember to recycle your old phones through certified partners to promote sustainability. By 2026, expect more 5G phone options, potentially including budget-friendly Android devices with enhanced accessibility.